Let's make this delicious oven grilled tilapia together, okay? For my ingredients, I have 3 cloves of garlic, 1 thumb-sized ginger, 1 green bell pepper, 3 red bell peppers, some spring onions, 1 tablespoon curry powder, 1 shrimp powder, some olive oil, 1 tablespoon rosemary, and a tablespoon of salt. We all know that tilapia is a freshwater fish, and sometimes it has this funny, marine smell that I don't really like. So most times what I do is I just blend ginger in water and I use it in washing the fish. This helps to remove some of those freshwater smell from it, okay? Have you liked this video? Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and drop your beautiful comments in the comment section. Let me know, have you tried this ginger mix before? When making deep scalds on your fish, make sure you don't make them too deep, because if you make them too deep, part of the fish might break into two when you're done with the grilling process. Disclaimer guys, the lime you see me adding to the belly of the fish, please, it gives it this sour taste which you might not like. So please, if you have not tried this before, don't try this particular hack with friends and families. Just try it for yourself, and if you like the end result, then you can use it for other recipes. Allow this marinate on each side for at least 40 minutes on medium high heat. You know how your oven works, you know what works for you. Just like I always say, do what works for you, okay? Guys, I enjoyed this delicious grilled tilapia with roasted plantains. Sorry I couldn't show you my plantain, but trust me, I really love it. Thank you so much for watching, my beautiful people. I see the love and I say thank you. Till we see in my next video, stay blessed, stay good, and keep showing love.